Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
The dispersion or shatter effect makes it look as though your subject is breaking apart and blowing away into tiny particles. Start by duplicating your subject layer twice, naming one stretch and the other subject. Select the stretch layer and use the liquefy filter to warp and stretch the edges of the subject outward. Hide the stretch layer with a black layer mask and add a white layer mask to the main subject layer. Use custom spatter or particle brushes to paint black on the subject mask to delete the edges, and paint white on the stretch mask to reveal the flying particles, creating a realistic, dynamic, exploding motion effect across the canvas.